Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a skincare routine for you featuring Pixibeauty. So they were kind enough to send me their rose collection and I'm absolutely loving it. Have you guys tried that collection before? If you have, let me know down below what are your thoughts about it. And if you haven't, what items from that collection would you like to try? So today I'll be showing you the entire line and how I use it at night versus how I use it during the day. Before we get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get to it. So Pixi was kind enough to send me their rose gold collection, it just came in handy because my skin at the time, it is very dry because it is the winter month and it started to get dehydrated. So I definitely needed something that was going to cure my dry skin and my dehydration. So the products that they sent came included with this card, and it just gives you a list of all the products that's in the package and the steps on how you would like to use them. Now I do follow these steps during the day, but at night I switch it up just a little bit just because I feel like one of the items I do not need at night. So let's just get into how I use these products. So the first product they said was the makeup wipes. These makeup wipes smell amazing. I love them. They're so fresh. They smell like roses. And they really do clean off everything, including mascara. So the cloths are very, very soft. They're super soft, and I'm tugging on them right now, and they're not splitting in half. So I like to wrap it around my hand like this, fold it back, and just cleanse my skin off. So for step number 2, I'm going to go ahead and cleanse, and I'll be using the Rose Cream Cleanser. Now, I really like this product, so I'm just going to take some of the cleanser and put a little bit of it on my hands. I don't use a lot of this. This does put me in the mind frame of Noxzema, but not as menthol-y, and it doesn't burn. I don't know about you guys, but when I put Noxzema on, it burns my skin. This one is just a nice, cool feeling, very refreshing. And it's not a foam. It doesn't foam up, but it kind of melts off whatever you have left onto your skin. So now you have 2 ways of removing this product. You can use a rag, or you can just rinse it off with regular water. I am going to rinse it off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so quick tip, when drying my face off, I do not use a towel or a rag or anything like that. I always keep paper towels on my bathroom sink, and this is how I dry my face. So this is going to help minimize the chances of you getting breakouts from using the same towel over and over again. So I just keep paper towel, and it keeps my face acne free. Now moving on to step 3, I am going to go in with the Rose Tonic and a cotton round. And I'm just going to take a couple drops on here, and this is going to help to tone the skin. All of the products smell really good. It's not overly rose scented, but it does have a hint of rose in there. So now for my favorite step, I love a good serum, and I'm going to go into the Rose Caviar Essence, and this is going to help boost hydration. And I love how it has these little flakes of rose in here. Every time I put this on my face, I try to get a bit of rose petals in every application. I don't know, that's just my thing. I like to see them just kind of dissipate on the skin. So I take a little bit on the tips of my fingers and spread it on my face, and I push it into my skin. And this is so nice. It's so cool and hydrating. I just love the way it feels. It's not sticky, it just kind of just glide on to the skin. All right, for right now, I'm going to skip step number 5 and move on to step number 6, which is the moisturizer. This is the Rose Ceramide Cream, and this is just so nice, and it's more like a lotion texture. It's not thick like a cream. It is definitely hydrating. I would want to kind of call it like a gel lotion or a water cream or something like that, because it's just not thick at all. So I just take just a little bit on my fingertips and I kind of just rub it in, and then I go and massage it into my face. The one thing I love about all of these products, you do not need a lot of it. Just a little bit of it goes such a long way. And I put some on my neck as well. All of these products just feel so luxurious. I feel like so bougie when I'm putting these products on because it's so nice and relaxing. So now I'm gonna go and do step number 7. I love a good oil. I love locking in my moisturizers with an oil. So this is the Rose Oil Blend. I've had my eye on this for a while. So I don't do a lot of this. I just take about 2 drops. And the great thing about this oil is that it comes with this dispenser top, and it also comes with the screw top for travel, so you don't have to worry about the dispenser coming out or unscrewing or anything. So I save my top in my bag, and whenever I go out of town or I'm traveling, I will put the top on here just to make sure that it is safe. I'm just going to take 2 drops. That's 1, 2, oh, I did 3. That might be a little bit too much. So sometimes when I do a little bit too much, I just put some on my fingertips just to kind of nourish my nails. And then I go in and I press this on to the skin. And then I also take it on to my shoulders and my chest. You can do the same thing with your essence and your cream. All right, so you guys know I mentioned that I skipped step 5, which is the Rose Flash Balm. And the reason why I skipped this for right now is because I like to use this as a primer. You can use this as a moisturizer, a primer, or a mask. So I love using it as a primer. So after I do those steps that I just showed you, I wait about 3 to 5 minutes and then I apply this. So now that the oil feels like it has sunk into my skin a little bit, I am going to move on to the next step. So this is the step that I would do if I am applying makeup to my face. So I go in with the Rose Glow Mist and I just spray that on. Oh, that smells so good. And I kind of just fan it and let it dry. And then I go into the Rose Flash Balm and I take just a little bit of it because I'm only going to apply this in the spots that I want it. Not necessarily all over my face. Apply it to my fingertips. Rub it in a little bit and smooth it on my face. And now you see by skipping this, I'm not having that effect of the products balling up together. It just goes on really nice. And that's just something I noticed when I was using it for the first time. So it was kind of a trial and error thing for me. And everyone's probably different. Some people are probably able to use it right away, but for me, I was not able to. And this is kind of the step I would take anyway if I was applying makeup to my face. I would wait to do a primer. I wouldn't do a primer right before my moisturizer or moisturize twice. I just don't think my skin needs that. So this way works perfect for me. Alright, so now that I have the Flash Balm on, I'm going to do my makeup real quick and then I will be back for the final step. And now that everything is finished, I am going to go in and set with the Makeup Fix-In Mist by Pixi. And it looks like this. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. And this is gonna help to set everything and hold it in place. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any video requests, please leave them down below and click the subscribe button and a notification bell. Don't forget to share this. And before you leave, click one of those 2 videos that is on the screen at this moment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.